Wishing you all a very happy 8th World Financial Planning Day.
विश्व वित्तीय योजना दिवस पर आपको ढेरों शुभकामनाएं।
આપોના લોક સાકા લોકે વિશ્વ વિત્તી પરિકল্পনা শুভেচ্ছা জানালো।
নমস্কার বন্ধুগণ, বিশ্ব অর্থ পরিকল্পনা দিবস উপলক্ষে সকলকে আমার আন্তরিক শুভেচ্ছা।
विश्व नाड़ा के आयोजन दिवस पर तुमने सुख एवं समृद्धि शुभेच्छा।
ವಿಶ್ವ ಆರ್ಥಿಕ ಯೋಜನೆ ದಿನದ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು।
दोस्तों सारने यत वर्ल्ड फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग डेज मुबारकाबाद दिवन थैंक यू।
സംസാരിക് ആർത്ഥിക് നിയോജൻ ദിസ് മനയതന സകലിയാങ്ക് ശുഭേച്ഛ।
എല്ലാവർക്കും लोक संपादिका आसूत्राम दिनान आशंसी।
जागतिक आर्थिक नियोजन दिनाच्या तुम्हा सगळ्यांना खूप खूप शुभेच्छा।
विश्व वित्तीय योजना दिवस को हार्दिक शुभकामना।
असंत संपूर्ण आर्थिक योजना दिवस पालन करू।
विश्व वित्तीय योजना दिन दिया ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
नमस्कारम विश्व वित्तीय योजना दिवस सर्वेभ्यं शुभम अस्तु।
उल्गे नीति तिमतमेतल नल्लई अनिवार्यम आरवमग कोंडार।
मी आंध्रिके प्रपंच आर्थिक प्रणालिका दिनोत्सव शुभकामनाएं।
आदाब। आलमी माली मनसूबाबंदी के दिन के मौके पर मैं आप तमाम लोगों को तहे दिल से बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद पेश करता हूँ।
Congratulations Fintellect for organizing this financial awareness campaign. We at School of Commerce at Manav Rachna believe that it's not health which is the first important thing. It is actually your financial health which is the most important thing. Because people say jaan hai to jahan hai, and I would say financial health hai to real health hai. So congratulations once again and all the very best. May you be the torch bearer of financial awareness in the country. Congratulations once again.
Hello all, I am Pramila Nipani. I work as Senior Sales Manager in Franklin Templeton and I am based at Hyderabad. I wish you all a very happy World Financial Planning Day. Financial planning, timely financial planning ensures that we have a long-term financial stability and goal achievement. All the best to you all.
This is Seema Anis, Principal Manav Rachna International School, Sector 21C for Hyderabad. 9th of October is an important day. It's World Financial Planning Day. And I sincerely feel that every single one of us should be financially literate. So financial literacy is not a luxury anymore, or it is not restricted to one gender. Every single being should be financially literate. Therefore, creating awareness and sharing knowledge of how to plan our finances should be on the agenda list of every single being. Well, we're going to celebrate this day with our plans of creating awareness amidst our community of stakeholders, that is the teachers, students and parents. What are your plans? Happy World Financial Planning Day.
Happy Financial Planning Day. Hello everyone, my name is Vindesh Srivastava. I am a mutual fund distributor and working on capital markets since 2010. And I think financial planning is a very much thing in our daily life and progress and growth much better to do better anything. Thank you Sivraj sir to make an opportunity to like this event. Thank you so much. Thank you. Happy financial planning. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Bhuneshwar Nath Singh. This side, I am a mutual fund distributor from Varanasi. Wishing you a happy World Financial Planning Day.
This is Dr. Urvashi Kurma, Senior Manager, Punjab National Bank, Faridabad. Wish you all a very happy World Financial Planning Day. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Bhavna Rena and I'm a learning experience designer. I wish you all a very happy World Financial Planning Day. Now for me, financial planning is essential for achieving your long-term goals. And it starts with setting up small objectives like maybe buying a house or investing in your retirement plan. A well-structured plan will help you create a budget, manage your expenses, and also allocate resources very effectively. By identifying risks and implementing strategies for protection, you ensure stability against any unexpected events. Additionally, a solid investment strategy grows and builds your wealth over the time. Ultimately, financial planning, how I feel, provides you clarity and confidence. It empowers you to navigate your life's unexpectancies and also secure your future financially. So keep looking after your financial future and have a very good day.
Hi everyone, this is Shikha Kushru from Atlas Copco Gurgaon. I work as a Territory Manager Service. Wishing you all a happy World Financial Planning Day. As per my understanding, financial planning is must in this ever-evolving era. To have somebody certified for personal finance planning is the utmost important for me. In today's world, there is too much of information available on internet on finances, to manage finances. But having said so, personal finance planning is different for different individuals so as to meet one's goals. Thank you.
Happy 8th World Financial Planning Day.
Hello everyone, Ankit this side from Samco Mutual Fund, Lucknow. Wish you a happy World Financial Planning Day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
A very good evening to all. I'm Vimi Handa, an educator in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Lucknow. At the outset, I would like to wish everyone a very happy World Financial Planning Day. As we all know, planning is the prerequisite for accomplishing any kind of task. And financial planning goes a long way in meeting our long-term goals. And at the same time, we know that almost all the departments have withdrawn the pension scheme. Therefore, we need to build a reasonably good amount of corpus for our retirement and for meeting other goals in life. Therefore, we need to plan our finances, and the earlier we start, the better it is. Thank you.
Namaskar, my name is Dr. Preeti Chabra. I am associated with Manav Rachna International Institute of Research and Studies from last 11 years and also working in the field of economics from last 13 years. Financial planning, finances को मैनेज करना है जिससे आप अपने जीवन के लक्ष्यों को पूरा कर सकते हैं। इसमें आप अपने आज को और अपने कल की आवश्यकताओं को ध्यान में रखते हुए सेव करते हैं, इन्वेस्ट करते हैं और रिसोर्सेज का सही तरीके से उपयोग करते हैं। इससे आप अपने सुरक्षित फाइनेंशियल फ्यूचर की योजना बनाते हैं और आर्थिक रूप से स्वतंत्र रह सकते हैं। सो बेसिकली आर्ट इज नॉट इन मेकिंग मनी बट यस इन कीपिंग इट। Thank you.
Happy World Financial Planning Day. Financial planning is the art to manage your money. Just like a sportsman plays sport and a cook cooks dishes, financial planners play the role of advising the people about financial planning. So this is basically day for financial planners. We wish you a happy World Financial Planning Day.
I am Myra Agrawal from Grade 4 Pacific Ocean. I study in Manav Rachna International School, Sector 21C, Faridabad. How many times have you ever gone to a movie theater without planning? Which movie will you watch? Which theater will you go? How much time will it take to go? And which seats will you book? Etc. If never, then why do you do this with your financial goals? When you plan for such a small thing, which is just watching a movie, then why don't you plan the same way with your life's biggest goal, which is financial planning? So, think about it and be the champions of your financial goals.
Happy World Financial Planning Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi, Assistant Manager Momentum for Health, California. Wishing you all a very happy World Financial Planning Day.